So I was really fascinated to see the extent of interest in this movie in Hong Kong. So it was really great to see family engagement. You know, there were definitely 3 generations of the same family watching the movie. So it has something for everyone, I think, for all age ranges. The stories seem to me to be timeless, rooted in Chinese folklore. So I would say that the whole experience of the film, from the sound in general to the music to the visual effects to the animation, is a wonderfully integrated piece of art, actually. And the music is a beautiful blend of Chinese traditional music, but played with modern instruments as well as traditional instruments. And also some Western elements as well. So the music is so beautifully integrated into the film that you almost don't notice it. And that's a mark, I think, of how successful the writing for the music in the film is, when you almost don't notice it. I think there'll be a lot of curiosity amongst international audiences as to why this film has really captured the imagination of so many Chinese and non-Chinese people right across the world. People want entertainment, they want something which they feel is going to be a good use of their time on a Saturday or some other evening of the week. It brings people together. So I think, you know, obviously there's a very buoyant economy in the film market.